Um, so if you look here, you see that price is currently at an all-time high, 2873. How do we address such a scenario, right? What do we do when price has broken beyond every single point that we anticipated? All right, that's a very important question that needs to be answered. All right, so let's see. Okay. The journey of faith. All right. Important things to do. Mark out our fair value gaps. Reign of glory as a journey of joy. This may not necessarily have presented itself as a fair value gap. All right, we might not know until after this candle closes, but all the same, we're just going to have that in anticipation. Oh, that's beautiful. I wasn't here, we would have been able to take this entry. All right, but nothing spoiled, nothing spoiled, nothing spoiled. Okay, so we have a protected low right here. There's something similar to that here as well. So 5 minutes time frame, we're waiting to see price give us an entry confirmation. Glory. All right, so on gold, we're looking for buys. All right, that's typically what we're doing on gold. All right, don't forget, if you have questions, you can always type it in the chat box. All right, I would address your questions as the case may be. So that's gold. Let's see US 30. And when our life here is over, we will answer to God. In the case of US 30, we saw the reaction, the major reaction came in from here. All right, so that's what we saw, 4 hours time frame. All right, price has swept liquidity down here. We have a fair value gap up here. So US 30, we want to wait to see how price reacts from here. So that simply means that this is our protected eye. All right, because you see that that eye swept liquidity from here. All right, just before the beginning of the fair value gap. And on the 5 minutes or on the 1 hour, this is a fair value gap inside the 4 hours time frame fair value gap. All right, so what do? We anticipate liquidity getting taken. All right, we anticipate liquidity getting taken here. All right, once liquidity gets taken there, 5 minutes. So that's typically what we want to do. We want to wait for an entry on the 5 minutes. All right, that's what we're trying to wait for. All right, we're looking for entry from that zone. In the meantime, if we're able to get a buying opportunity, we will take it, since we know that price has to go higher to tap into that region. Okay, so I think that's basically it. US 30. We're waiting for something like this. All right, then we'll target our 1:3, 1:5, and then we're out. All right, so let's wait for the break and the retest. All right, that's US 30. Oh, come on, I forgot to make this payment. Hold on, let me quickly do that. I need the Trading View Premium. I'm trying to just subscribe for the Telegram Premium. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. Ebenezer. My sustainer. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. How long is it going to take for this to take effect? Okay. It's probably a different account. Hold on, please. Guys, I'm still here. I'm trying to log into the account that I have Premium Trading View on. I can't remember. I can't remember. Is that the one I need? No, this is a different one. Sorry, I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Mm, hold on, guys. I'm trying to ensure that. Nah, this is not it. Don't gbé mi fò, don't gbé mi sáré, carry me running, carry me flying. Don't gbé mi fò, don't gbé mi sáré. Don't gbé mi sáré. Ay, 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 ay. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. Ay, 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 ay. Ebenezer. Ay, 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 ay. Olùgbèjà. Ay, ay, ay. Ebenezer. All right, I think we're here. Ebenezer, my maker. Ay, 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 ay. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. All right, I think we're back. Let me just go back to. It's a trading. It's a different trading view account. All right, so that's okay. Good. Ay, ay, ay. Olùgbèjà. Ay, ay, ay. I defend. All right, I think we're good. I think we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're all set. Apologies about that. My screen is a little bit large. All right, it's a wide screen, so I had to adjust a bit. Oh no, they carry me fly, oh. They carry me run, oh. They carry me fly, oh. Are you kidding me? Status is not declared for what reason? I just paid. All right, it's fine. It's fine. I think we have a bit of an issue with TradingView right now. I don't know what exactly is the issue, but I just paid my subscription and I'm still trying to. What's going on here? I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. This is crazy. Anyways, we're just gonna go on. We'll look for entries and just proceed. This is really really weird. Okay, I think we were on US 100. All right, that's the commodity we're about to look into. All right, US 100 is already dropping from this fair value gap here. Good day, good day, good day, my friend. Okay. Good day, my friend Sydney. Do you have a question or is there something I can assist you with? If yes, just let me know in the chat box or I just type it in the comments. So this fair value gap is where we saw the initial drop from. And then right now we see that okay, absolutely. Okay. Okay. All right, this is interesting. All right, so basically we want to see US 100, all right, get here. Once that happens, then we can look for sales. All right, so we're looking for sales. All right, it could also happen from the fair value gap that we have here. All right, there's no telling. We would have to wait to see how that plays out. Okay. So let's see how this goes. That's US 100. I think we saw US 30 earlier too. All right, as well as gold, GU, and the likes. All right, so let's just see how this plays out. Okay. You carry me fly, oh. Don't gbé mi fò, don't gbé mi sáré. Don't gbé mi fò, don't gbé mi sáré. Ay, 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 ay. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. Okay. 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 Okay, I think I know what to do. We're still waiting for US 100 and the other commodities to get into the area of interest. All right, so we're just going to wait for that to play out, okay? Okay. It carried me fly. Oh. This is our point of interest. All right, we're just waiting to see price climb into that region. Then we'll look for opportunities for a sell. Alternatively, okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. We have our entries already. So let's just watch how that plays. It carried me fly. Oh. Don't gbé mi fò, don't gbé mi sáré, don't gbé mi fò, don't gbé mi sáré. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. Yeah. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. Ebenezer, my maker. Ay, 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 Ebenezer. My sustainer. Well, it's a live session on YouTube, so it should be there. That's if I decide not to make it private, anyways. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Da, 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 do, 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 do. Yee. You carry me fly, oh. You carry me fly. You carry me fly, oh. Ebenezer, my helper. Ebenezer, my maker. Don't worry, oh, that's not a call, oh. That's not a trade call, oh. It's just I'll probably show you guys how that works, but I don't think that will be today. But let me show you the basis for me marking out that region. So there's a fair value gap, there's a demand zone within a demand zone. I can't remember. I can't remember. Oh, goodness, huh? Ebenezer, my maker. Ebenezer. Olubeja. So you see the presence of this fair value gap here, all right, is what solidifies my sentiment about the fact that price is going to try to come higher, all right, up to that point. Let's see. So right now, I want to see how price will react when it gets into our zone. All right, if we get entries, yeah, all good. If not, we'll chill. Olubija. Yeah. Ebenezer. Remember, our major sentiment for entry is bearish, all right, based on the double break of structure pattern. So we're waiting to see price come into that region. And since we know that price is supposed to go higher into that region, is why I'm is why I'm trying to see if there will be a possibility to just catch a quick buy. All right, then we can sell from the zone. Okay. Yeah. Ongbe misare. You carry me fly. Ongbe mi fo. Ongbe misare. Okay, I think my subscription is live now. So give me a minute. Let me switch back to my paid trading view account. All right. Yes, I think we're back now. All right, we're back. All right, US 100 was the one we saw the other time. I'm just going to replicate the analysis here. All right, that's the fair value gap. Interesting. That buy is actually correct. See this break of structure here? All right, see this break of structure here? All right, if you look closely, you see that price broke above the previous high here. All right, with that, we know that there was a fair value gap here. All right, there's a fair value gap here. Can you see that? Meaning that there's going to be demand around this region on the 4 hours time frame. So we'll go to the 1 hour time frame. And we find that this is a protected low. All right, this is a protected low. As well as this. All right, let me show you that. Let me show you on the 5 minutes. You see that that low is a protected low. All right, with the double break of structure pattern, in fact. All right, and this is our complete demand zone. All right, and it also has its own fair value gap also. So I think okay, which is why we talked about the buy from here. With a 1:3 target. All right. Don't worry, we're still going to get a couple more entries. All right. We're still going to get a couple more entries. I just wanted to break this down for you guys to see it. Mm. Even though we're unable to get an entry here now, all right, once we allow this ETH TP, all right, without any doubt, without any issues, then we can patiently wait for price to come back here. All right, you see that there's a fair value gap here with lots of liquidity resting around that region. Okay? So we could just work with this. You see the double break of structure pattern there as well. Do you get it now? So we'll wait for this to reach, this should be TP1, all right, which is 1:2. TP3 is 1:3. All right, so want to see price retrace a little bit, all right, come into one of these regions, and then we can take an entry once again. Don't forget, if you have questions, you can always type it in the chat box. All right, I'm going to address your questions as soon as I see it. All right, let's wait and see. This is still climbing. It's almost at TP2, TP1, which is our 1:2. All right, yeah, around 1:2. All the fair value gaps here have been filled. We have one here. Was there a sweep of liquidity? A really tiny one. So we have the fair value gap and the demand zone that created it. Mm, mm, mm. Don't gbé mi sáré, bus. Don't gbé mi fò, don't gbé mi sáré. Ebenezer, my maker. Okay. Let's go back to the US 30 chart. Oh, no, 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 no. Sahid Mudashir, why did you delete your message? I didn't see it. Let's go back to US 30. Very good. Uh-oh. I'd already taken my entry. I should have taken my entry here. Fair value gap. That's crazy. Would have already done 1:3 or more, sir. Yeah, about 1:5. Yep, I missed that entry, but we will not miss the next one. I'm just going to set an alert. Oh, Saeed, thank you so much. Thanks for saying hello. I'm just going to set an alert here on US 30. Then let's go to gold. Oh, no problem. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, I think it's good to go. Yeah. These are my helper. These are my maker. Don't be me sorry. That was the demand zone. So right now, gold, you can take an entry for a buy. Don't worry, it's a 1 minute trade, so we're targeting 1:3 as usual. That's our entry. Stop loss down here. TP up here. All right, so that's what we have on gold. We're only targeting 1:3. Don't forget, for this trade, your risk management needs to be intact. The aim is to take, bits and pieces of the market gradually, not pick up everything at once. So we're taking several trades, all right, to get into a massive amount of profit. So we're not trying to risk 1%, 3% of our account on a single trade. That's why we're breaking these things down a lot more, okay? The stop loss is here because I expect that this sweep and this break of structure would render this fair value gap absolutely important. All right, there's a fair value gap there. Then there's another one down here. Ebenezer. Olugbeja, our defender. Woo! So you see, price has taken out that first fair value gap I talked about. Don't be me sorry. You carry me down. You carry me sorry. Don't be me so. Don't be me sorry. Gold is active. Let's see US 30 if it has hit our TP. All right, US 30. We're waiting for a retest around this area. All right, so we can take. Okay, let's go to US 100. All right, US 100 is still rising. It hasn't reached the TP yet. Mm. 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 It's quite unfortunate I got to see the US 30 entry late. Would have had at least one ratio 3 TP today. All right, so now let's search for swing trades. All right, if you're the type of person that likes swing trades, I think we can help you too. Okay, AUDCHF. Okay. You should be selling AUDCHF right now. If you're the type of person that likes long-term opportunities, all right, I think AUDCHF sell is a good one. I think so. I really do. sweep, break. Now we'll see the continuity. All right, so I think that what we're going to get on AED-CHF is this. Fair value gap field. Where do we have the next fair value gap? Okay, here. Okay. That's the fair value gap. It means this is our protected low. Okay, so if this is what we're expecting on AED-CHF, let's go to the 5 minutes. And let's do 1 minute. Okay, let me do the 5 minutes first. Okay. That's our fair value gap. 1 minute time frame. What do we do? What do we look for? Okay. All right, so that's AED-CHF. Yeah, that will be our 1:3. But I think if we work with the full target, which is down here, that'll be about 1:8. All right, so let me just set an alert there. Oh God. All right, so let me see US 30. Oh, come on. How did I do this? By now, US 30 would have given us some real solid profits. Real solid. That's over 1:11. Yeah, about 1:13. But remember, what we're simply waiting for is the retest. All right, that's what matters to us. Okay, I think we had an analysis on GBP AUD. Oh, it wasn't on this chart. GBP AUD, we have a break of structure, bearish break of structure here. On AUD CHF. All right, I'll go back there and show you. I'll go back there and show you. Break of structure here. Fair value gap here. All right, which means that this is a protected eye. So let's go and take 1 minute or 5 minutes entry. All right, GBP AUD will wait for 1 minute time frame entry. Sweep, break. Let's hope we get a second break of structure. How do I move this? Okay, AUD CHF. Where did I analyze AUD CHF? Okay, let me just check the objects. Not showing here. Okay, good. Saeed Mudashir, can you see the figures now? This is the entry, color blue. This is SL. This is TP. Is it clear now? All right, you're welcome. US 100 is almost at TP2 or TP1, which is our 1:2. We said TP1 is 1:2, and then TP2 is 1:3. But if you want to use all the way to the final TP, that will be somewhere here, which will be around 1:4.8. Did we analyze GBP/AUD? Oh, yes. Yes, we did. All right, US 30. All right, let's watch for US 30. Mm, mm, mm. Garment fly. Mm. US 100 is already at TP1. The 1 hour candle is about to close. I think the US markets will open. All right, so we'll get some more volatility from the volumes that are coming in. All right, so we should see price move a bit faster once the New York market is open. Mm. Mm. Let's see. Let's see. We might get extra additional entries. Mm. If I want to take a long-term look at US 30, there's a fair value gap here too. And the demand zone behind it. So my thoughts, or rather, is price does this and then pushes. So that I can put, and that will be 1:4. All right, let me now write out the figures or the parameters. Four 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 6.62. All right, so that will be US 30. Let me give you the parameters. All right, so those are the parameters for US 30 buy. I'm going to have to end this stream soon, all right, because I have church service this evening and I have to make ready for the service. All right, so I might be ending the stream in the next maybe 5-10 minutes. All right, so far we took a look at GA. All right, GBP AUD US 100. As you can see, got to our TP1. It got to TP1 very clean. All right, so I'm anticipating that it will make a retest. All right, still somewhere around here, and then we can probably anticipate another entry. All right, but that's part one. This is GBP-AUD, this is US 30. Then we talked about AUD CHF as well. All right, so altogether, I think we covered 5 commodities, including gold. All right, yeah, 5 commodities. Gold, if you took the gold trade, you should be in profit right now. All right, so altogether, I would say it's a good day. 1:3 split at least 3 ways so far. All right, that's already 1:9. So if you risked 0.5% of your account on each of those positions, we're already talking about 0.3%. Yeah, we're already talking about almost 1% of your account in a single day. All right, so if you had a 100K account, that's almost $1,000 profit for today. All right, so I think it's a good start. All right, so tomorrow we'll have another session right about the same time tomorrow. All right, so you can join us for that session as well. All right. So I think that's pretty much it. US 30, we're expecting a retest. If it doesn't happen, we'll know that we're still good. US 100, we're waiting for secondary entry. All right, somewhere down here, if it gives us that. GBP we want to sell, but we're hoping that price will come all the way back up. All right, to give us a more appropriate entry. All right, to give us a more appropriate entry. Gold is bullish. All right, we have a buy trade already in place. I think price is moving already. All right, so as you can see, gold, our stop loss is down here, our TP is up here. All right, so right now I think price is still doing quite fairly. All right, I think price is still doing quite fairly. So let's just see how that plays out. So if you're in any of these trades, all right, don't forget your risk management is actually very, very paramount. All right, and I'm hoping that by the time I get to see you guys again tomorrow, you guys would already have, you know, some considerable amount of profits from all of these trades that we looked at together. All right, so tomorrow when I come your way again, remember the name is Adetola Freeman and Nimola. All right, see you guys tomorrow. God bless you.